fēnix 7X features the brand new LED flashlight. In this video, we will introduce its new features. For fēnix 7 and fēnix 7S users, please skip to 151. From any page, you can turn on the LED flashlight by double-pressing the light key in the upper left corner. Double-press again to turn off. To use more features, press and hold the light key to enter Controls. Select Flashlight. Turn on. Here you can set the brightness of the flashlight. Or switch to the red light. Press and hold the up key on the left to open the menu. In Strobe, you can choose between different flashing modes, such as blink, pulse, and so on. Distress pattern. Once turned on, it will flash SOS in Morse code, and show your name and emergency contact information on the screen. The LED flashlight can improve your safety during exercise. You can set different flashing modes for each activity. Take Run as an example. Press and hold the up key. Select Run settings. Flashlight strobe. In Status, set when to use the flashlight. Set the flashing mode in Mode, such as Beacon. Then, you can set the flashing frequency and color. Cadence will match the swing of your arm. When your arm swings to the front and below, it will flash the white light. And when your arm swings to the back, it flashes the red light. fēnix 7 and fēnix 7S use the display as a flashlight. From any page, you can turn on the flashlight by double-pressing the light key in the upper left corner. Press the up or down key to switch between the three modes. Press the back key or double-press the light key to turn off the flashlight. The flashlight can improve your safety during exercise. During an activity, you can still use the flashlight without having to quit the activity. And that's it. Next time when you need light, don't spend time looking for your phone. Just press the light key twice.